Well, hey, all. I've decided I'm going to give it another shot at trying to explain to you guys how mechanical calculators work, specifically my mechanical calculators. See, it's Valentine's Day, and my wife decided to get me shit-faced for Valentine's Day, and what better do I have to do? So, without further ado, here is what I have. This is a little gem adding machine, and this is from what the hell is it, the Coal Sand Manufacturing Company from right here in, come on, get it, Dayton, Ohio. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. But this is manufactured in Dayton, Ohio in 1910. This is a completely, totally simple machine, and it's pretty cool, but the fact that it just doesn't do much. All it does is add. It can't subtract. It can't really multiply. But if you see, there's numbers across here, and there's numbers 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 down each row. So if I wanted to add, 15 to 32, I would put the 5 in, 5 down, it shows a 5. Then I put my 1 in the tens down, so it shows 15 plus 32. My finger at the 3, pull it down, put my finger at the 2, pull it down, 47. That's the answer, and that's all this machine does. And to clear it out, it's a kind of a pain. You have to put, so this is 7, so I got to put the 3 to clear that. This is 5, so I got to put the 5 to clear that. 9 to clear that. 9 to clear that. 9 to clear that one, and I got zeros. That's the little gem adding machine. It pretty much sucks as a calculator, but it's a cool piece of history. Next, I have the lightning adding machine, and this thing is totally cool. But again, this is just an adding machine. This thing shows cents, then dollars. It shows dollars, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So say I wanted to add $15.25. I'd put 1, 5, that shows $15 and 25 cents. $15.25, and I don't know what I was adding that to, but say $12.75. We'd say, oh geez, where am I at? We'd say 12.75, and this has a tens carry mechanism that carries from one to the next, so that gives me an answer of $28, and I'm assuming that's correct. I don't know, probably. Fuck. Stupid old machines. I think that's right, though. I think that's right. Okay. But on to the main show. We are back with the Monroe Mechanical Calculator Adding Machine. Wham, wham, wham. It does whatever you want it to do as long as you're in 1940. Whoa! Okay, no, seriously, it's still pretty cool, but I fixed it. You'll see, by fixing it, I found this. Jeez. Let me see here. Hold on. Okay. I found this group of gears under here that need to be. You can't see it in this video, but they need to be held together, and they're held together by this tiny spring. I've tried a pen spring. I've tried everything I can find. I can't find anything that works other than this hill-jacked rubber band. But the rubber band makes the machine work perfect. So we're going to deal with it. Now, in the last video, I showed you how to add some numbers, multiply, and, well, I kind of showed you. I don't know. Okay, one thing I didn't show was subtraction, which is retarded, and I didn't show what this lever does. This is your main operating handle. Forward does addition, backwards does subtraction. Easy enough. So say I want to do 100. I would put 1, 0, 0. Roll that forward, and that shows me 100. And now say I want to subtract 72. Now, first of all, this is my rotation counter. This tells me how many times I rotated this handle. So I'm going to roll this forward to clear that out. Okay? So I have 100. I want to subtract 72. First, I'm going to clear my buttons by hitting this, and I'm going to put 7, 2. Now I'm going to roll this lever backwards, and it tells me 28. Pretty awesome. So that's subtraction, which I had never bothered to show you guys last time because I'm silly. And now I have some. No, not all that stuff. Just these ones. These calculations. These are what we're going to do. I went ahead and I figured out the calculations beforehand, so this way I can put them in, and we can find out if this machine can do real calculations. 78 times 54? That sounds crazy! Okay, so seriously, let's do 78 times 54. I mean, nobody can do that off the top of their head. I mean, unless you're really smart. I'm not. So let's try this. All right. So we have this cleared out, all the buttons cleared out. Let's put 78 in. 78. Okay. So now we have 78 times 1. Now we want 78 times 54. So let's do the 4 first. So we'll roll this forward 4 times. So 2, 3, 4. And I don't want to roll this thing 54 times. So we're going to use this lever right here to flip the carriage over to 1 to the tens position where the 5 is. So we're going to roll this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer, according to this calculator, is 4212 or 4,212. And according to my calculator, it's 4,212. What? That's crazy. And correct. I love mechanical stuff. All right, let's do division. Let's do an awesome division. All right. This is 156 divided by 9. Does anyone know the answer? I'm not telling. All right. Now, if you're going to do something that needs decimal places at the end, okay, that's a good one. These decimal places, that's what these little markers for. You just slide these things around so you can keep track of decimal places. All right, so let's do this. 156, 156. You roll this forward. All right, so we have 156. And we're going to slide this counter right there to keep track of it. Okay, and we're going to... Oh, shit. Clear that. Nah, I'm fucking this up. All right, now we have 156. This is times 1. But we're doing division, so we don't need any of that. So we're going to clear the rotation counter. So we want 156. Okay, and we want to divide that. Oh, don't look at the number. By 9. Okay, let's divide this by 9. Now this works. Okay, so this works by subtractive division. Okay, so we clear these things out. We have 156 in here. When you're going to do something, when you're going to do a large number like this, and you want to do 156 divided by 9, now you got to think in the tens category. Okay, so you know your 9's right here, and you can just keep subtracting 9. But the problem is this revolution counter doesn't have a tens carry, so you got to think: can the 9 go into 156 10 times? Otherwise, 90 into 156. Yes, it can. If it can, we're going to flip this over 1 time, and we're going to take this 9, and we're going to subtract it. Okay. And here's what happens. You can try it again. If you try to subtract 9 again, you get craziness and a ringing bell. If that happens, you just go forwards, and it gets you back here. Now, you've already taken that 9 out one time. Actually, 10 times is what this counter counts. 10 times. We'll move it back over, and now we keep pulling the 9 out. 1, 2, and it's keeping track of how many times we're pulling that 9 out of there. And when this counter gets down to 0, this is our decimal point. So this is 30.00000. And we keep pulling this out, pulling this out. Oh no, we got a bell. Okay, well when that happens, you go on 9s, roll back forward to undo that one. Okay, so we have 17 point. We need to move over to try again. Okay, keep going, keep. Oh no, 9s. Okay, well we'll just go back, pull forward, keep going. Oh no! Okay. We got this. Oh shit. Okay, I screwed up. I was running the wrong way. Ah, 9s! But anyways, you just keep going as long as it'll let you. And that's as far as it goes. The answer is 156 divided by 9 equals 17.333333. And that's exactly what my Android came up with as well. So, oh geez. So, yeah. Long story short, mechanical calculators are every bit as good as like fancy little digital calculators, but it's just stupid that we stopped using these things. Because look how portable this thing is. Oh shit! I could take this. I could carry this in a small briefcase, and I could take it to work, and I could do all my calculations, and it wouldn't cost me any money in electricity. So if you're all about going green and saving the environment, this is what you need. A Monroe mechanical, or honestly a Curta would be best, but Curtas are really expensive, and they look at pepper grinders. They're totally awesome, and I wish I had one, but it's going to cost me about $1,000 to get one, and I can't afford to spend $1,000 on a piece of 100-year-old technology, and that's just sad. Anyways, I have better things to do, so I'm going to go drink beer. Fuck you.